Babe, you're here pala?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, oh, you're here na. Teka, wait ha. I'll ask Amelia what's our food for today.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Amelia!
Yes, ma'am.
Amelia, what's for lunch? I'm so hungry.
Ay, ma'am, magluluto pa lang po ako.
Amelia, bakit ngayon pa lang? Anong time na ba?
10:30 pa lang po.
10:30 pa lang ba? Oh, parang dark na outside. Parang yung gutom ko, pang 12:30 na.
Gusto mo, ma'am, gawa na lang kita ng late, breakfast.
Oh, sige Amelia, hindi na ako makaka-wait kasi I'm so hungry na. Teka, ano bang makukook mo dyan? Yung mga fast lang.
Di ba, ma'am, nag-grocery kayo kahapon ni Inday?
Ah.
Baka meron po doon na maluto.
Ay nako, buti na lang pinaalala mo Amelia. So sige, meron akong kinuha yung yesterday doon, yung gusto ko i-try. Yung unipack na mackerel. Go, kunin mo.
Ma'am, ito po, paborito ng asawa ko po.
I know not that. Pero masarap nga yan ha, kasi favorite yan ni mother and ni father. They always give me that. Guys, nung bagets pa ako. Wait, get me isa, yung bago, yung mackerel flakes.
Sige po, ma'am.
Okay, go.
Ma'am, ito po.
Ay, naku, yes! This one nga, because they have mackerel flakes in oil. They said okay to. And another one, they have mackerel flakes. Spicy, hot and spicy. Nako, gusto ko yung spicy. You know naman, guys, I'm a spice girl. Sige, Amelia, cook mo na siya both, okay?
Anong gusto niyo pong luto, ma'am?
Oh my gosh, Amelia, ako po ba ang magde-decide? Ikaw, go, go, go. Ikaw na bahala. I-surprise mo ako kung anong...
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys, see you later.
Ma'am, ito na po.
OMG! Amelia, ang dami! Okay, ano to?
Ano yun, ma'am, yung mackerel, plain and...
Plain, okay. So, okay.
Tapos, ito, mackerel, hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy, of course.
Ito naman, mackerel pie.
Naku, may pie pa. O sige, try ko. Pero parang pang buong family na to. Ako lang ang late breakfast.
Ito, ma'am, aglio.
Olio. Okay? O sige, try ko. O sige, Amelia, go. Very good. Okay, guys, eat na tayo. Ay, by the way, babe, do you want to eat with me? Ay, sige, I'll save for you. Anyway, try natin tong plain one. My gosh, ang sarap ha. My gosh, it's so good. Guys, I thought it's malansa, but it's not. It's so good. Kasi si mother, sabi niya, the lansa effect of the other one, yun ang bet niya. But these flakes walang lansa at all. Ang sarap. I think it's bagay with mayonnaise and bread. So next is the hot and spicy. OMG, sana really spicy kasi guys, I really love spicy food. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's so spicy pero tamang-tama lang. Ay, favorite ko na siya. Kasi guys, you know naman, I'm super spicy. So, favorite ko na siya than the plain one. But beware guys, yung mga hindi sanay sa spicy, kailangan prepared kayo ang taste bud nyo. Kasi super kick siya. Super spicy talaga. But I love spicy food. So good. So guys, if naanghangan talaga kayo, i-mix nyo na lang both of them. So, tamang-tama lang yon. But for me, I really love this. Parang gusto ko mag-rice. Amelia, get mo nga ako ng rice. Anyway guys, while waiting for my rice, let's try this pasta. Bagay yung mackerel for this ha. Sa bagay ang alio-olio naman, it's really garlic and oil. So bagay na bagay talaga ang flakes ha. Very Italian ang taray ha. Good job Amelia. Ang sarap. Amelia, next time ha, pag magpapasa tayo, Italian, isama mo ha, include mo tong spicy ha, ang sarap nun. Okay, give me na rice. Okay.
Mami, try niyo po yung mackerel na pie.
Amelia, ang dami mo pinapatry. Sige, try na. Ang taray, parang merienda vibes. I hope masarap. Ay, like ko na to. Amelia, sino gumawa nito?
Si Joy.
Joy, nasan si Joy? Joy!
Yes po, ma'am.
Gusto ko ha, every time meron event tayo or nasa car out of town, kailangan lagi ako may baon nito ha. So, ikaw palang gumawa nito. Okay, sige. Very good ka dyan ha. Ang taray ng pabreading. My gosh, guys, try nyo din to, yung mackerel pie. Guys, favorite ko na siya. Especially the spicy kasi guys, you know, spicy girl ako. So, para sa mahinang tolerance sa spice, try this. Ito yung flaxseed oil. And kung palavarn kayo, try this. Ang hot and spicy, really spicy. Plus guys, ang Unipack mackerel is 100% mackerel. Or should I say, mackerel? Mackerel? And guys, look imported to. Kasi guys, nagaggles ko. They import it from Korea and Japan. Very social. Kaya pala guys, ang sarap niya. Pero guys, kahit imported siya, very affordable ang price. Oh, by the way, Amelia! Okay, kain na kayo nito. Tuwagin mo na yung mga angels.
Ngayon na po dun sa kitchen lang.
Aba, talagang inunahan niyo pa ako. Sige na. Okay, later, bigyan mo yung mga kids. And pag-save mo ako for my merienda. Go na. Sige, tapusin niyo na yung pag-eat niyo. So guys, try na the Unipack mackerel flakes in oil. It's 100% pure mackerel, unlike other seafood canned goods. Kaya pack na pack ang sarap. Pack na pack with Unipack. Love it! Okay, bye guys! Magra-rice muna ako kasi lalamig na siya. Okay, watch na kayo ng Prague and Sescu with Tim and Phil. Roll VTR!